One of the common outputs from a database is a report. So I'm going to start off by, you go to the Create tab, and on the far right you see the Report section. If you click on the Report wizard, it takes you through a automatic report creator. You can create a report out of tables or queries. So let's choose the student primary here. I want to report to the student ID, first name, last name. I don't need the date of birth, but I want province and the course and maybe gender. Let's click on the next button. Now the basic report will drill out items row by row with the fields you've selected. You also have an option of grouping your items based on, let's say, province or course or gender. I'm going to use province in this instance. When I click on the add button, it creates a province subsection. So let's see what this province grouping will do. The last option is to choose whether I want my list in ascending order. I want it ascending order by first name. So let's click on next. Mind you too, you can create different orders of items in your fields. You can sort by multiple fields. Now I can choose my report layout, whether it's text, blocked, or outline. I'm going to choose stepped. Then my paper, I want my paper orientation to be landscape. Then we give it a report name. I'm going to prefix it with RPT, so I can always remember this is a report. Then I'm going to preview the report straight away. And this is our first report showing grouping by province. So it's a nifty way of creating a quick report. Now when you create a report, there are several views. You can zoom in, have a 2-page view. Our report only has one page, so if it's a long report. You can also right away from here, we can right click on the report tab and go straight into layout view. And just like any other layout view, we can adjust columns in our report to make the data more attractive. In our format tab, report layout tools pops up. In our format tab, we can actually format different texts. We can change backgrounds and font colors as we deem fit. And we can also go into a print view, which we were previously in. And we also have a report view, which is just like a layout view, but here you cannot change items in the report. But the good thing about this type of reports is that you can actually still perform filters in any field item. So BSc Geomatics, right click there, equal to BSc Geomatics. I can filter by that in the report filters, and I can print this out right now. I can also add another filter by female, and the report gets smaller and smaller. So this is a nice way of filtering your reports before printing. Another thing we would like to do is, you can notice that the report has records and it also has headers, field headers. In design view and layout view, both views, we are allowed to change the text on the labels. So identification, I'm going to make it ID number, ID hash. Then I'm going to make it centered. So I go to formatting and make it centered. And let me select all the headers and make the font black. Let's save and go back to print preview. And there we have a more centered form. So this is how to create a report using the wizard.